Now, when you're doing these patent searches, particularly in the U.S. Patent Office, be mindful of the fact that there is no law that says that you have to use specific words to describe specific things. There's no law that says you have to call a screwdriver or a hammer. In this case, there's no law that says that you have to call a toothbrush a toothbrush. In fact, if we were looking for patents for a type of toothbrush, you have to remember that the word toothbrush might not appear anywhere in the patent application or in the patent. So whenever you're doing any type of patent search, you should do a little bit of homework beforehand. Formulate and write out a list of potential keywords that you could use to describe that invention or that technology. Also keep in mind that there are different fields in a patent. For instance, there's the title and the abstract, as we have seen. There's also the specification and the claims in various other fields. And so the keywords can be found in any of these, and it's useful to use these fields effectively. This is what makes this search tool so powerful. So for example, we did the search TTL for the title / toothbrush, which would return any patent with the word toothbrush in the title. Of course, the word toothbrush might not actually appear in the title. Instead, it might appear in the abstract. So we can go back and go ABST, which is the field code for abstract. And here's the fields here. Abstract, field code, ABST. Okay, so ABST for toothbrush. And I'll show you an example. Let's suppose we're going to look for toothbrush in the title and the word light, or better yet, LED, short for light emitting diode. Okay, so we're looking for patents with the word toothbrush and LED in the title because we're looking for a toothbrush that has some kind of LED light built into the handle. Let's do this search and see what we get. And again, it can take a few minutes. We found 2 references. Okay. Let's go back and let's say, no, we're not going to do LED in the title. We're going to look for it in the abstract, ABST. An abstract is a 1-paragraph summary of what the invention is. So it's quite possible that someone might not use the word LED in the title, but they're probably much more likely to use it in the abstract. So let's do this search here and see the kind of results we get. We found 11 references. Okay. Let's go back here and we'll look for the word toothbrush. Instead of in the title, we'll look for it in the abstract and see what kind of search results we get. We also found 11. Okay, so that's a fairly good result.